Imagine a wave of molasses rushing through city streets. On January 15, 1919, a giant storage tank in Boston burst, unleashing over 2 million gallons of sticky syrup. The resulting flood swept through the North End at 35 miles per hour, destroying buildings, overturning vehicles, and tragically killing 21 people while injuring 150 more. Rescue efforts were hampered by the thick, clinging molasses that coated everything in its path. The event led to stricter regulations for industrial safety and remains one of history's strangest urban disasters.